I'm going to show you how you can start using itineraries.io very quickly. Go to the itineraries.io homepage. This is what the homepage looks like. You can browse through itineraries that have been created by other people and have been made to be available by the public. They all appear here. Anyway, when you're first starting, you'll want to hit Get Started, Sign Up. I'm going to sign up here with Google. And then when you log in, this is what you'll be met with. This is your homepage. From here, you can navigate to various parts of itineraries.io. So if you click on Home, that will go to the homepage again that you just saw. Blog posts, you can start creating your own blog posts and contribute towards the itineraries.io blog. You can post useful information that other travelers might like to read about, or just articles reflecting on your own travels in the past. It's really a place just for the community to tell their own stories and help other people out. Your favorites tab will contain any itineraries that you have favorited, and you can easily access them from this area of the app. This is the main part that you'll be interested in, so all your itineraries that you've created or that you've been invited to by others will appear here. So my itineraries, these are the itineraries that you've created yourself, generated from the web. I'll show you that in another tutorial, but you can use the AI feature to generate any itinerary from, for example, a travel blog or from a travel vlog on YouTube. Joined itineraries, these are itineraries that you have been invited to and you've accepted the invitation. Cloned itineraries, these are itineraries that you have created using other people's templates. I'll show you the clone feature slightly later on in another tutorial. This is the itineraries AI tab. At the moment, I'm not a premium user, so I don't have access to AI features, but you'll want to sign up to this for sure. Okay, anyway, so back to this tutorial. So what we want to do is create our very first itinerary. You hit the create button and instantly your itinerary is created. When you first load an itinerary or when you first create one, the editing setting is on. You can turn this off or you can turn it back on. You can also hit Command E to hide it, Command E again to show it. Give your itinerary a title, so I'll call it my itinerary. Give it a description, I'll just say description. You can set the date that you're traveling. So if you set the first date of your travel, then it will automatically set the dates for the rest of the days of your itinerary. You can upload an image, you can select countries that you're visiting. So if you type India, for example, India will show up. And now it knows that you're going to India. You can specify location. So for example, within India, I could say Delhi, or I could say Agra. And these are all locations that will be within my itinerary. You can categorize it or you can leave this alone as well. So I could say that I'm going on a road trip in India, for example. I can do multiple tags. So this could be a road trip, but also a stag do, let's say. And then here you can set a password. So this is important for sharing it with other people that you want to invite to the itinerary. So you can create a password. So I'll just say hello. That's your password for the itinerary. And it gives you a little reminder at the top. And you can invite people from here. There are two places where you can invite other people. So you can invite from here, you can invite from here. I'll show you the invitation feature in a different video. So that's how you can create an itinerary. Thank you for watching, and watch the rest of my tutorial series just to see how you can do more with the itineraries.io app. Happy adventuring.